Seems like
How far
this.
it go up there, man?
It's gonna go all the way around. It's not really, really long.
Shit.
But we're supposed to walk through it. Okay, I'm your tour guide today.
Okay, okay.
This is the nature trail.
This is the nature trail.
Yes.
Where does it go?
And go to back to the beginning, I think.
Back to the mountains.
We going backwards.
Oh.
Back to the beginning.
We ain't gonna come back this way.
Shit.
Damani, how about we just do this? How about me and you just come get the ride? Cause look at this lady.
I think it's going downhill now.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna be all right.
That's pulling your muscles.
But we all going
Yeah, it's
backwards.
pulling my muscles.
Just put it, work
No,
out.
it ain't.
Well, don't fuss at me, baby. Don't
Shit.
fuss. You're in good spirit now. Keep the good spirit
Yeah, I'm
going.
trying.
Rah.
Double. You on camera.
This damn walk.
Because of Damani, huh? His bright idea.
Demani. Someone that be in the gym every day, all day, want me to climb a damn hill. How about that? Oh, in the bushes.
Oh, the beach is this way.
Yep, going down to the beach.
We all want to go?
Yeah. We don't go to the pier, do we?
A lot of damn
Go
bushes.
sightseeing.
What? The little water thing for the handle. The little... I'm
I
sorry.
roll down that damn hill.
Well, I'm wrong for laughing, huh?
They even got damn stairs. Yeah, your ass will laugh for everything.
Girl, I took a half a gummy. I took a half a gummy.
That damn gummy must be done kicked in.
Fuck.
Gummy already?
I have, yeah.
Yeah. You ain't know.
Oh, I'm on vacation, baby. I can do whatever I want. Do what?
Man, I need to be recording this shit.
Oh, man.
Following Demani McCormick,
Damn, this
my
dangerous.
cousin.
This is a dangerous
Ooh,
part.
Lord. They got all that. They got all that. Got me creeping. Shit. Ooh, I don't know why y'all come through here.
This is nice.
No, this shit ain't nice.
Nature.
Yeah, it sure is nature. As long as I ain't up high.
I feel like we're in the jungle.
You damn right. That's what it looked like.
Well, you know what? You wanted to explore.
Shut up,
You got it.
Shanisha. Shut up, Shanisha.
I'm getting bit up. Somebody me up.
You always told me, I want to see something different, baby.
Yeah, and I'm seeing it different too, thanks to Demani and Shanisha.
Ain't my
Because
fault.
they're adventurous.
Damani, can I take a picture right here?
Yeah.